Hey guys, it's me, Dorinda again. Last week I did a little short video because I wanted to pick some colors to go with this glitter that I wanted to try because I love it. Anyway, I did 3 colors to choose from and I got mixed results. Everybody wanted something a little bit different and I had a hard time deciding too. So this is our lilac, this is our robin's egg blue, and this is petunia with that glitter over it. As you can see, they're all so pretty. I had a hard time deciding. So what I did, this is kind of my favorite, but I really like these two. So I just, I decided to do an ombre. I'm going to use the lilac and the robin's egg blue together on this tumbler. And I'm going to do this tumbler with the petunia. And I thought I'd show you guys how to do a little ombre. It's been a while since I've done one, so I hope I can remember to get it right, but I am going to do one and show you how to do it. I might mess it up, but yeah, you get to learn from that too. So I started on these tumblers. I prepped them first using coverall. That's my tumbler prep, so I don't have to sand the tumbler. All you do is brush it on and it adheres to just everything. It adheres to the stainless steel tumbler coat, to sublimation, whatever you're trying to go over, you can use the coverall. And I just applied that with a fan brush. Got that on. So that's dried and I'm ready to put on my base paint. So we're going to go with lavender. I'll shake it up good. And I'll get this one shook too. This is the robin's egg blue. I think I'm going to put this on the top. So you want to have everything ready. You want your brushes ready to go because when you're blending in the middle, you kind of have to go quick. You don't want to have to stop and go get another color and make sure that it's shook up and go get another brush, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so I have a couple brushes here that I'm going to use. And I'm going to have, aren't they cute? I have little crystal-lac brushes. They're all a little different. That one and this one with the gold, and this one's really cute with the little sprinkles in it. So I'm going to use 3 brushes all together. I'm going to use 2, one for each color, and then 1 for blending. So I'm going to put lavender on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my lavender. I should have had my brush ready, but I did not. I'm just going to get a nice coat on here. Easy peasy. I'm kind of just going to the middle. And I might have to do this twice. If it needs 2 coats, I'll do the same process twice. So I'm going to put this on the bottom because I want the lavender on the bottom. All right, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. A little thick right there, so I'm going to just brush it out a little bit. All right, it's the lavender. Now I'm going to put the robin's egg blue on the top. All right, I'll get them close in together here. All right, now in the middle, oops, a little spot I missed. In the middle, I'm just going to blend those 2 colors together. I'm just going to go this way. So I'm getting a little blue into the purple and a little purple into the blue. Sometimes it helps to have a little bit of a wet brush. I have some water right here. So I'm just going to just dab that. You don't want it soaking wet, just a little bit wet. And then you can blend it. That probably wasn't such a good idea. See, I told you I might mess that up. I'll go back in with this blue. I should have done everything this direction instead of up and down because it's a little easier. But anyway, put some more purple back on this side. Yeah, that's better. We're just blending those colors together. And I think I am going to have to do a second coat because in the middle there I can still see the stainless coming through. I'm just going to pull it up a little bit with the purple. That's looking pretty good. So when I put my glitter over it, it is going to seamlessly blend. I'll put some of this blue back in on this side. Until you can't really see a line, you just kind of want it to blend. That's looking pretty good. I hope it looks good on the camera. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so that is that one. I'm going to put these in water to soak while I work on the petunia. Shake it up. This is the Flippin' Awesome paint. All right, so I'm going to work on this one now. All right, here we go. Once these dry, I'm probably going to do a second coat, and then I'm going to apply some glitter glue and the glitter. And I'll do another video for that so you guys can watch the whole process and see how it turns out. It's really warm in here today, so this is drying really fast. So I'm not going to touch it too much. I'm just going to let it do its thing and self-level. And then we'll go on from there. All right. I think that's done. All right, what do you guys think so far? I'm excited to get the glitter on it. And I'll come back and I'll show you the second coat.